Fixer family, it's Charmin, and I'm so glad that you guys decided to join me today. And if this is the first time to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. Consider sticking around and becoming a part of the Fixer family by hitting that subscribe button right down here and the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload new videos. Now, I try to upload videos every Friday, and I throw in some bonus videos from time to time. So today's video, I'm going to be bringing you how I decorated a fall tree for this wonderful fall season. Welcome to Fixin' To. We're going to start with a bunch of Dollar Tree florals and picks. We're going to use some Dollar Tree ribbon, some bigger sunflowers I got from Walmart, a lot of Dollar Tree leaf foliage, our Easter egg acorns that we made, some burlap leaves, those velvet pumpkins, scissors and some wire cutters, and a small little tree here that we are going to make look beautiful. Now guys, basically I just took a bunch of the fall leaves that I had, and I had a ton of it. I didn't realize how much I had accumulated and gotten together, and I just began to kind of fill in all of the little, maybe kind of like empty spots that I saw within the tree, and then decided to put these velvet pumpkins in because you want to kind of start with your bigger items. Guys, keep your eyes on these pumpkins. They wind up driving me crazy. So then I took my sunflowers and of course my big hydrangeas here. See, they started falling out of this tree. It's crazy. Anyway, I then decided to cut apart all of these single flowers and begin to just kind of fill them into some more kind of naked spots, I guess you could call it. And guys, this is really your eye, just going in and filling in and making this look wonderful. Yep, another fall, and just wait for it because it's coming again and again. These things keep falling out. But I do have a little hack, I guess you could say, to fix these towards the end. But then I took some of these bigger picks and I kind of created a swag at the top, and I know, I'm sorry it's out of the frame here, but I'll show it to you a little bit later. Then I started just throwing in these acorns that I made with the Easter eggs. And the other one started falling out too, guys. This was crazy. But anyway, I then took my burlap leaves and began to just put them in where I saw they needed to go. And it is just coming together, and I'm absolutely loving this. Added a little bit more to the top, and again, another pumpkin fail. Well guys, I have a more detailed tutorial for you on how to create this bow that I'm fixing to make here, but I did kind of do it to where you can see it in here, but I'll make sure that I link it in the iCards above. And basically I'm using 4 different ribbons, and I'm going to cut 2 each from each ribbon, 24 inches long. And once I get those cut, then I'm going to take them and loop it down to where I'm looping about a 7 to 7.5 inch loop at the top, pinching it together and placing it in my thumb, and I alternate every other one, making sure that my loops are all even. And then once I get it together, I'm going to take a zip tie to bring it together and do it as tight as you can get it, because then we're going to be fluffing it out and pulling our little tails around to the underneath. And I think you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. And then I'm going to take a piece of wire and just pull it off long enough to where you can just kind of slide it down the middle of those loops, and then you can take it and put it at the top of your tree. Now we're going to take, and right under those little branches that I put at the top, the little picks at the top there, I'm going to put it just below that to create a very cute topper for this fall tree. And guys, there it went again. Dropped another pumpkin. These things, they're so pretty on this tree, but giving me a little bit of a headache. Guys, they say that invention is the mother of necessity, and this was definitely a necessity. What I did was I took where I had cut all of those little individual flowers off of the one pick, and it kind of looks like a little branch. Well, you can take that and stick it right in the bottom of these pumpkins because they go right through that fabric and into styrofoam. And then I took some hot glue and made sure that it was secured there on the bottom, and once it cooled, I put them in the tree. Now guys, I kind of lost the footage of me doing that, so I'm going to show you right here how easily these little picks, now these are pumpkin picks, go right into the tree, and you won't have to worry about them falling out anymore. So now these look absolutely beautiful. So once you get all of your items on your tree, you're going to put your bow at the top and then take and fluff it out, make it look super pretty. And here is the finished product. I'm absolutely in love with the way that it turned out. Well, Fixer family, I have another question for you this week. What are some things that you enjoy about fall? Comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. For me, I love the cooler weather, of course. Also, my birthday is this month, so of course it's in the fall. I love this time of the year for that. And I also love the colors that God displays for us during this time of year. Well, guys, know that I love you, and I am so appreciative of each and every one of you being a part of the Fixer family. And always remember to keep looking up, because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.